Good morning, students. Now, so far you have understood what is series connection, what is parallel connection, what is an open circuit, what is a short circuit. Now, you are in a position to work out some of these problems. So, basic problems. Now, that test your knowledge on series connection as well as parallel connection. List all components if any that are connected in parallel with R. This is R. In each of the circuits are networks shown in figure. Now I will go on sketching circuits one by one. You have to list the components that are in parallel with R. Take first circuit. Now what is parallel connection? Two resistors are connected in parallel if both the ends are common. Now here in this circuit R1 is in parallel with R. The reason is this end is common to R1 and R, and this end is also common to R and R1. Therefore, answer for this is R1. By writing R1 here, still it is in parallel with R. The reason is this end of R, this end of R1 common. This end of R, this end of R1, they are common. So both the ends are common, hence it is parallel connection. Second example. In this circuit, once again you are supposed to list components that are connected in parallel with R. Now parallel connection means both the ends are common. Two ends are common. Now in this example, R1, R2, R3, all the three resistors are in parallel with R. Even though it looks like this, R1, R2, R3, all the three resistors are in parallel with R. The reason is, look for R3. This end is common. This end is common. So R3 is in parallel. Now having shown R1, R2 here, they are still parallel with R. The reason is, this end is common with R. Whereas these two ends are connected here, and this is what is called as short circuit. This is short circuit. Short circuit means you can bring these 2 points together. You can bring these 2 points together. That is like this. You can bring, short circuit means a path of zero resistance. You can bring these two together. How? It is like this. R1, R2. Now R1 and R2, R3, all the three resistors are in parallel. Third example. This is the example I have taken. In this problem also you are supposed to list the components that are in parallel with R. Now first, straight away looking into this figure, R1 is in parallel with R. The reason is this end is common. This end is also common for R1. So R and R1, they are in parallel. What about R2? R2 is connected here. So that is one end with R. So one end of R2, one end of R common. What about other end? This end. Now this is short circuit. So that means I have to coincide this with this. If you coincide this with this due to short circuit, then this end of R will fall here. So both the ends of R2 are with this. Therefore, R2 is not in parallel. Therefore, only R1 is in parallel. R2 is not in parallel. The reason is, one end here, this end is also going to coincide with this due to short circuit. Short circuit means you can bring them together. Now, what about E? One end of E is with one end of R. And due to short circuit, if you bring this with here, that means it is as good as connecting E here. That means it is like this. It is like this. like this, and R2 is also here. Now R2 ends, both the ends of R2 are coinciding this, therefore R2 is not in parallel, but E is in parallel. E is in parallel and R1 is in parallel. Thank you.